The entire Benin kingdom had been otherwise thrown into a state of perplexity as their monarch and leader, His Royal Majesty Omonoba Noedo Ukwu Oba Hewaye II, was dragged to court by two suspended enigies of Ewoba Nusa and Egbayan Siloko dukedoms in Benin Kingdom, Professor Gregory Akenzua and Chief Edonwoyi Ogigbayan, challenging their suspension. The pair, representing other suspended chiefs, contended that only the state governor, Godwin Obaseki, had the authority to remove them from their positions, disputing the Oba's decision to suspend them for alleged insubordination. Residents in the Benin metropolis and concerned Adolites reacted to the act as an abominable one that has never been heard before. They added that it is an issue that would have simply been settled within the household of the palace.
As far as the kingdom is concerned, the Edo kingdom is concerned, it has never happened before. And I believe this one will not change the rules on ground, the rules of the kingdom. They don't have, I may not say they don't have right or they have right, but it is not, it is not done in Benin kingdom for the children to carry the Oba to the court. The issue of house is settled in the house. We don't, in our parable, Edo parable says, "Owukmowa uwa anawoi, ukmowa uwa nawoi." Whatever that concerns anything the Benins, you settle it in your house, not outside that.
It's not necessary because he is the person that take up Benin as a whole, as the Oba Benin. So no reason to take it to court. I see no reason.
To my own view, Oba of Benin have the right to suspend any yes, he installed them in. He has the right. He has the right to suspend any of the Onyoges if they didn't perform well.
But the Onyoges are taking him to court.
Well, the court will, but it's not right. It's not right. It's not possible. Let's see now whether court will talk anything about the Oba of Benin. Let's see. Let's cross our fingers together. But it's not right.
So, what in the aspect of talking of Oba of Benin have right to suspend the Enoge or not? Oba of Benin is the father of all. Is the one who installed them. So anyone that misbehave or going out of the track, he have power to remove him, to even suspend him, to install the right person. So if you mean that you are a no-get, that you feel that the government paying them, you make it to come up and say, Oba have right to suspend them. Oba have right. This is the issue of power. Oba have right to suspend whoever in traditional ruler because he's the one installing them, he's the one monitoring them, he's the one controlling them. So anyone that may do anything illegally, he have right to suspend or even remove. Without being told, don't need to even ask me. Without being told, it's an abomination, it's an abominable act. It's barbaric. It's not done in any way. They are all trying to use a government power to break or to demolish or maybe to break the power of the palace.
Others commented on the issue, stating that the Oba of Benin is a great monarch whose power spreads across nations. Other than that, politicians should not fan the embers for too long, as the Oba of Benin and the Eniges are brothers and family, and that they are optimistic that the issue will not last for too long. They, however, pleaded with the monarch to be patient with the Enige and seek for ways to resolve the matter to restore peace to the kingdom.
First and foremost, with respect to the Oba of Benin, it's dispute with the two Enoges. One, I want you to also admit the fact that it's already in court. It's prejudicial right now for anybody to make any very serious comment.
I can't just conclude whether it be right or wrong. But one thing I strongly believe is the Oba is our Oba. The Eniges, they are our father. It's just like the tongue and the teeth. Sometimes they quarrel. Teeth has never one day denied tongue. And tongue has never one day pulled out of the mouth because teeth has offended it. You understand? I just feel that it's an issue between father and children.
In a contrast view, some respondents commented that no traditional ruler is beyond the law and that the matter in court is quite appropriate.
It's a record development.
for the two Onoge that took the Oba of Benin to court. Number one, they may be right by taking him to court, because for him to suspend them, I believe there have to be a deliberation before the suspension. Not because you are the Oba of Benin. Yes, we know that the Oba have power. The Oba is in charge. We know him that he's a man of authority. But at least the kind of life that we are now is not the life that we live in 1960. We are in the 21st century now, if I'm not mistaken. Now, how can Oba just suspend two Enoge? Now, this Onoge, there's somebody that is paying there, which is the #1 citizen of the country, the governor. Did the Oba consult the governor before suspending these two Onoge? Did the Oba take the decision on himself because he's the Oba of Benin? I believe the court has the final say in this issue. But to me, it's a welcome development.
Although the court did not sit on Thursday, the respondents are optimistic that the issue will be resolved in no time. Esoe Osemege reporting for BTV News.